trying to figure out how all her shit get in my area. This is my little area. All this over here. I'm about to run to the gas station real quick. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. No, I need my black. Oh, I forgot the intro.
I'm fat, y'all. I'm just a fat bitch. Like, can't fit no clothes. Babe, this is it. Like, this is it.
I don't know whether to do the green or the black. I ain't gonna lie, that green on green hard. What it do, why teasing? It's your boy, Bishop, nigga. Put the strap on.
Okay, just like that.
I bet you it's hard.
I think the black one.
The black?
Yeah, because the top floor can't really fit shit in there. See? Yeah, we gonna just say that. We gonna do that.
They're getting on that powdered bus, going to DC. So Nat, god sister, best friend, I don't know, Pootie, one of her close bitches, they she having a birthday party in DC, so they taking the party bus up. I'm gonna meet them up there. So if y'all didn't know, this is a DC vlog now. You dig, Slim Mo? Y'all well and slim. So y'all know I had to roll my blunt before I go to DC. Before I take this drive to DC, even though it's a quick drive, but fuck that. Alright, y'all, I'm in DC,
At the
baby.
light, turn right onto Florida Avenue Northeast. Then keep right.
Oh yeah, we in the city, we turn. So Chanel already here, she been at the party already. They caught the party bus up. Yeah, it's time, it's lit. DC deep as shit. Yeah, man, it's hella cars. It's crazy because for those who know, I spent a lot of time out DC.
In half a mile,
Fucking
turn
up.
right onto 2nd Street Northwest.
All this shit is very familiar, like very familiar to me. I feel comfortable as fucking DC. It is fucking monster traffic out here, like, God, it's like fucking New York. It's like driving in New York. It honestly feel like I'm driving in New York. It's like everybody quick to go, they cutting everybody off, all that shit. Then I hate the lights on the side. I'm not used to that. Like, I'm used to the lights being in front of me. So it's easy to run a light in DC, I know, but I ain't do it. I can't find no fucking parking around here. It's fucking crowded. So I'm just driving around. Hopefully I find somebody coming out or something like that. But everywhere say no parking and shit. So I'm out DC, y'all. About to walk to the club.
In a quarter mile, the destination.
I had to park all the way up the street like 5 minutes. They say 5 minutes a walk. So, God damn, it's crazy out here. But I'm out here. I'm outside the club smoking. Y'all know me. I'm out here though. The club is over there. There's clubs all up and down this motherfucker. It's a lot of motherfuckers out here. Like I've been seeing, these just all up and down the street. Police, all type of shit. Alright, I'm about to go in here, get a couple drinks, chill out.
Drip like this, I spot drip on a wrist. Walk up in the club and I drip on a bitch. You know, hit, remember putting tape up on the mag just to make it fit. I remember sliding every day. I wasn't at the park. I ain't had no lighter, but I really had to make it. Y'all just don't know that's how it supposed to be. Calling for a feature just to kill him, cause we know he's who the fuck is that? Bro, go check the
Deep as shit down here, you know. I gotta go find the fucking car. I forgot where the fuck I parked. For it to be like a cold day, it's like a lot of people outside partying, yo. I remember, I think I had a show or something somewhere around here, cause this building right here is like an arena. It was like Rowdy Rich or somebody performing. So Chanel and I'm ready. I'm about to come down. Like as soon as I got to the car, and the party bus right there, I see the party bus going down.